Still going up.
No.
No. It's not going up. Do you know why?
Why?
Bearish candle is going down right now.
No, it's
Ain't nothing but a...
No. Government's really taking money from me.
Damn.
It's not even your
Tell
government.
me why.
Yeah, it's not even my government. That's the worst
It's
thing.
not even your government.
That's fucked up.
They want to take money from everyone. Oh.
Subscribe button is so.
They say there is no sound.
Yeah, wait, I'm checking that sound.
Maybe you need to moan, Alexi.
I can hear myself already.
Can you?
What
Someone
kind of
hoovering.
moan?
What? Simon.
You.
Whoa. False accusation. Come on, bro.
Who? No, it's the. I think they're cutting grass downstairs.
Oh.
Yeah. Only looking. I think I was muted just now. I was saying on Go, I'm looking for shorts later on the 4-hour close. If this thing, I need to see how this bearish close is, because it's already formed lower highs with the sellers holding the highs. So I think it will come down to at least 1710. So we shall see. Stop loss is quite big too. Lots of news about vaccine in the UK and EU about stopping extra use. Why? Oops. Hey, Bailey was on just now.
That's why it was falling?
I think so.
Damn.
He said he sees a 12% fall in the GDP.
Oh no.
Maybe that's why. Let's see, where was he speaking? Is the sound very loud? The Hoover machine sound.
Yeah,
You can hear it.
They're like really far away. Wait, let me see.
Hah?
Right.
Nggak tahu tuh tadi malam.
Andy, you're not muted, mate.
Tak tahu.
Enggak. Enggak, Bu.
Bunga? What?
Bunga?
Tadi malam dia telepon. Gak balas. Malam dia telepon. Enggak.
I don't think he has his headphones on. So
No, he doesn't. Okay, let me mute him.
Enggak.
I don't think he has his headphones on. So
No, he doesn't. Okay, let me mute him. Extra. I think Singapore doesn't use the extra vaccine. Clot fierce them.
Imagine getting a vaccine.
It kills you. The irony. I think our vaccine is Pfizer. But I know we might get the China vaccine soon. Them.
I wouldn't trust that.
The China vaccine is only like, the efficacy is only 60%. It's like, damn you, you inject me. But it's only 60%. No.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah.
Some people got thrombosis with AstraZeneca. That's not good.
Yeah.
That could give you a stroke. That is really not good.
Let's see. Pfizer side effect. Egg, joint, eggs, must egg, fever. Moderna has been approved.
Imagine you take the vaccine, yeah, and it gives you the thing that you're getting vaccinated against.
Damn.
Like that particular one, it just wasn't done properly.
Oops. But they are thinking of doing some kind of travel bubble again for Singapore and Australia. So I think probably if you want to travel, you're going to get poked.
Damn.
Yeah.
But you're afraid of needles.
No, in my arm is fine. In my elbow is not fine.
That's the best part.
No.
Mm.
Ugh. But it will allow me to travel. Yeah, fine.
1
Take,
hour close.
take me.
1 hour close.
That's all. Rejected the 27.
Yeah, but
Yes.
the night the candle.
Yeah.
Kind of no low week right now though.
Yeah.
Don't
I'm gonna
like
wait
it.
to see if it forms new resistance.
Could it be giving us the retest?
I don't know, I'm gonna watch 151, 200. If it forms a new resistance there, lower high, maybe I'll consider. But I need to see how much space I have till 150, 800. Don't short GJ, why? It's looking to bounce here. Yeah, that's why I only if I get a new resistance. I'm not shorting from here, this is very low. Here's to retest, then, and I need to see what happens here. I have a lot of criteria first.
Morning, Angela.
Morning, my son. Yeah, my son was arrogant yesterday.
She doesn't like to speak to anyone. She's antisocial.
Wow, thanks.
Angela missing you, my son.
How should I reply and tell them to go on YouTube? I don't know, it's probably a market fluidity person.
Wait, what?
See the chat. Andy. What the hell? Bruh. Ring ring.
I remember you said it before.
Yeah, I said it before. I'm
Wow,
like
look at you.
pretty sure.
Your analysis correct so many times.
Yeah, bro. Don't mess.
Always on point.
Andy, you don't know?
No. What's that?
Damn. How can you not know?
Bro,
Bro.
Wow. She's ignoring me. What the fuck?
How should I reply the person? Y'all never help me. Should I tell them
bro, I
off
helped
to
you,
the
bro.
YouTube? Eh.
I told you, reply chicken curry.
Idea pad 3, 14, 8. Okay.
Oh, I just saw it.
Did you share the link?
In Slack?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay. That's why she's asking.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, Andy, here comes Victoria, yeah?
Oh oh. Oh oh.
Bye, guys.
No, Andy.
But
Damn. Why you tell him? Why did Alexi mute himself?
no, because that's what I heard. He just
Yeah, Alexia as well. Good morning, Andy.
Morning.
Bro, Andy said morning.
Damn.
Morning.
He gave her
Winnie
5
the
kisses.
Pooh, Andy, of all of the cartoon characters, Winnie the Pooh, an overweight bear that eats honey from a jar with his
Yeah,
hands.
why you going to disrespect Winnie the Pooh like that, man?
Winnie the Pooh is my favorite cartoon
He's not-
character.
He's not overweight. He's just storing calories for hibernation, man.
Well, I'm
No,
not
I'm
storing
not.
calories for hibernation.
Doesn't need. You'll fight off the cold with a TRX.
Oh, no. Not happy, Andy. I'm not happy.
Okay, I will send you a flower.
Wow, Andy, stingy much, only one.
Only one? Wow.
Okay, the
You
whole
need-
shop.
Oh wow,
Can you
that
give me-
trade.
Can you give me your postcode, please?
That's what he wants our post.
Cannot give it on the stream, I will tell everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're snitch.
Andy, I give you my postcode.
No, you're too far. Trying to be Sham.
Let's see. I'm going to check the MF website.
The motherfucking
Panic.
website, damn. Why are you gonna check the motherfucking website?
MF.
Yeah, why are you checking the motherfucking website, bro?
No. because I need to check for the MFs.
Wow.
People.
Let's respect this fool.
Oh no, I forgot my username. Oops.
Just check Slack.
Bro, I deleted my cache.
Oh shit.
Shit. Shit, what's the username for slack.com? Forex family? The Forex family?
Yeah, that's the name of the thing.
With hyphen?
Nah, it's just spaced out, and the first letters of each word is capital.
Oh.
Well, Angela ignored me.
Sadness. Oh, someone just said, "Hi guys, just wanted to ask, how many pips in profit will you let your trade run before moving stops to BE? I feel like I'm choking my trade if TP is like 10 to 15 pips. I normally get about 3 to 6 and move stops to BE. What the hell? This person is really choking his trade. Damn.
Well, if you only have 10 TP, then yeah, you'll be at 3 or 5.
Then if you get stopped, you get stopped. It's just the way it is. Because that's scalping, I think.
Yeah. Welcome to YouTube trading system.
London Open is really trash, man. Andy, don't be a stalker. You send the ring cam in the flowers.
How can I send the flower if I don't have the postcode?
Okay, ask in the Discord.
I already gave you one part of it. You need to guess the.
Wow, you gotta work because you caught Victoria Winnie the Pooh.
But what did you give? What is it? The first 2 letters?
Excuse me. Where's your memory?
EM.
No,
She gave you a hint, it's EM.
no, not EM. There is no such thing EM.
I know,
Hold on.
it's SG.
I can
No.
find out the first. I can find out the first 2 letters.
It must be started
sec.
with M.
Just give me a sec.
MV.
Bruh.
No. Elle is really trying.
What city does Mace live in again? What town?
Staffordshire.
Yeah, got it right. Okay. Staffordshire Bull Terrier. That's the dog.
I know.
Love that dog.
Well, I think GG's gonna range. He retested and then failed to touch 200 again. Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's gonna range. I think
Hmm.
I don't think it's gonna go down more.
No,
To be
it's
honest.
ranging. It was a 15-minute close bearish, but it didn't even touch that devil. Oh wells.
I think Misa gave me the first one. No, it's not ST, is it?
Eh?
No.
I forgot Andy's postcode already.
Stop loss 4.
Oh yeah.
Fuck you.
I know what's the last two letters.
What?
It's example. You know.
The last two letters, I changed the last one, but I will not give you the exact one. But it's really like near my place already.
Bro, I even flash the Google Maps. It's easy to hunt you down, bro.
Bro, it's fine. I got Andy's location memorized.
Why?
As in like how it looks on the map. I don't know.
I only know there's a petrol station nearby.
No.
No.
Bro,
Or a convenience
there's a
store.
Co-op.
yeah. There's a combini right there. I'm not
Fine.
gonna say the area before we leak because it's just again.
Fine, Andy. Let's
Bro,
play
what are you
volley.
doing? Don't. You have maps on? No, don't do that.
No, I don't.
I don't think people will bother to find me anyway.
Yeah. Oh, I just realized Andy doesn't live that far from Eton.
Where is it?
It's near. It's like south of Slough. It's like just off the M4.
Where is Ethan?
You know the private school.
Oh yeah.
Guys.
Mm.
Look at this.
Got what?
Damn, Daniel.
Yeah.
Okay, so if the airport is over here, I know.
Yeah. You got 45 minutes more before goal closes.
Yeah.
You gotta wait. If this thing doesn't close strong, don't touch it. It will come and take a chomp out of your trading account.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Damn. Okay. Now this candle, this 4-hour candle don't look nice anymore.
Yeah, not nice anymore, right? That's why I'm still waiting. We still have 45 minutes.
Shambles.
Still a bit far, Alexei.
No.
CSI.
Wait, your postcode is that?
What?
That.
Wait 1 second, let me check.
Because that's not the place you said
Okay.
before.
Staffordshire.
Wait, what?
That will help you now.
Find Wally.
But yo, how big are area codes?
This
Up
area
north?
is
What the
massive.
fuck? Damn.
Massive. And yeah, I actually have your postcode written down in my notebook.
Oh,
Creepy enough.
I can repeat again.
Yeah.
You're
go ahead.
psycho. You're psycho.
Let me
Okay.
go back and see where it is.
There are two stop losses.
do you guys know how to read a map and compass?
No. Ain't
Yeah.
nobody got time for that.
Easy.
No,
Oh,
I know how to do it.
You just need to look at landmarks. If you can't see any landmarks, then GG.
Dailies. Oh, did liquidity grab from daily support? Where's the daily support?
They support.
This creating.
It didn't reach that far.
1 hour closes nice bullish candle. Will I consider going long? Nope. Because to me, on the 4 hour, GJ is still making lower highs. So I'm not looking at longs yet. Like, I'm still trying to see what this candle wants to do because this resistance is holding. This is reminding me of yesterday on GJ.
Still doing okay?
30 minutes to go now.
30 minutes to go.
Yeah, I didn't realise.
Wow.
Go on Owender's chart. Yeah, this is go on Owender's chart.
I see.
Oh, is the support here? one. December. To me, GG.
It's still going
Go
up,
is.
or?
Sorry, what? Go?
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
I don't think Go is bullish yet. So it rejected this on the daily. It rejected this resistance. Yes, it rejected to the downside, but it didn't even break anything. So I don't think it's ready for longs. And if you are buying here, it's very near the resistance. So yesterday I did that on GJ. Stop loss. I'm not gonna do that again on Go. Last 4 hour, still bearish. The bearish structure is holding lower highs. That's my view. It's short bias since yesterday and it's playing in the same area.
Oh shit. Wait, let me edit this. There we go.
Take us with you, please.
No.
Why? I could hear an aircraft.
Fahad, you shared the... One second. You shared the analysis on the Discord chat, right? I saw it. I'm looking at the same area also. If it retests to this level of support, then yes, I'll short it. But right now, it hasn't retested. So I don't want to short it so low.
Man, they need to hurry up and reopen restaurants, man. I want hot pot, bruv.
Is it expensive in London?
It is, but if you go with a bunch of people, then it gets cheaper, innit?
It's okay.
Yeah.
What is it?
Hot.
Hot.
What?
Hot pot. Steamboat.
Ah,
Wrong chart. Dre, wrong chart.
That's loud, Victoria. I know.
Alexei, do you know the application Too Good To Go?
No? What's that?
Like where you can buy like
Is it like a
left.
food delivery thing?
No, it's like you buy food like a proper place, but they are like a leftover food. So food that wasn't being sold at that day, so they sell
Yeah.
it like in a cheap price. I think at the moment it's still only in London. I'm not sure,
Wait, let me
but I
see.
think it's quite nice to try.
Oh, this is actually a good idea, to be honest. It stops
Yeah.
wasting food.
Wasting food, and also like you get a proper food actually, but it's cheaper just because they didn't sell it.
Yeah.
Dre, wrong chart.
So confusing with this 4-hour timing now, like opening and closing.
Damn.
And we hit 1702. 1702. The thing is, it depends on how this candle closes. So right now it's still a lower high, but this current bearish candle, not the best. So it needs to give me a decent close before I consider. Oh, you already short it. Okay, then never mind. Use what? Use what, Andy?
The app called like when you buy leftover food
Oh?
at cheap price. Yeah, for example, like if you like even some hotels using that app, so you can buy a proper meal with a cheaper price, just because they haven't sold it that day. So it's still good, but they haven't sold it.
Oh, some shops have to throw it away by the end of the day and stuff like that. But if you are willing to pay a price for it, I'm sure they will give it to you.
Like a pastry shop, something like that, their employee are not allowed to take the food, the bread or something like that, the pastry. So they rather to sell it cheaper.
Yeah.
It's good though.
745 meters away.
Yeah, it can be a lot as well. It can be like one package of meal.
See it pulling back because it's at a zone and it hasn't been able to break. Yeah, but it's also still forming higher highs and higher lows here. So there's no confirmation for me to sell yet. So I'm just waiting. Because this area is also making higher highs and higher lows. It's squeezing. I'm just chilling. I need confirmations to sell. I'm not gonna sell it early if my analysis on the 4-hour and the candle hasn't closed. So now, if you entered, unless you entered like yesterday, if you entered yesterday, the entry looks a bit late. I think this was your entry, right? Here? It's a bit late if you ask me. Based on FIP. I don't think so. I don't think Dre trades FIPs. I mean, if your analysis is based on it retesting, right, on the 4 hour, then that's why I said it's a bit late if I look at it. So if your analysis is based on all these retests, break, retest, right, then for me, the analysis is valid, but the entry should have been on this candle, this second one here, not so far down. Yeah, that's my view. Look at GBP JPY. Okay.
Bruh. Excuse me, oh, what pair is this?
It's the pair that you can buy and sell.
Oh, so it's like the fruit.
Yes. The China pair.
Ooh.
You see 151, 230 as rejection. Yes. You see my FIP levels, right? Hang on. The FIP levels are a bit off. Oh yes. So for me, based on how I plotted the FIP, from this latest swing here down to this low, this one here. Error. So this area here, I'm waiting for, I want to see price do a proper retest, form new support on the lower time frame, then come down again. Show me that the bears are still holding the price down. Because right now it already broke this strong 4-hour structure here. I think if it wants to continue down, it will form a retest and then come lower. Because my legs level that I have issues with is 150,800, which is this support here. So I think that this area here is a fake out and then price continued back up, held support, then continued. So I think this is a fake out when it first went up. I'm not rushing it. I want to see if the 4-hour gives me any info. If not, then it's probably a New York trade.
No.
Me?
No, me. Feel like gold is a bit too high to buy right now.
Still an hour to go for a new 4-hour candle. No. Okay. DST. Daylight savings is already applicable. This candle, the 4-hour candle is closing in 20 minutes. Sorry, Alexi, what?
I feel like gold is a bit too high to buy right now.
Yeah. 100% too high.
I
Yeah.
wanted to go above 1740 for a start. and like do a retest, maybe buy it back up to like 17, maybe to throw the wick.
Yeah.
But it may not even get that far.
Yeah. Because if you buy it up, right, you're gonna hit this resistance. Then what?
Yeah.
So even this resistance here, this area here is a bit too tiny for me.
It's not enough.
Yeah, that's why I want to see how this closes. Based on the daily, so the reason why I'm looking for shorts is because the previous daily candle closed bearish, this one here, lower high, lower low. So it broke the previous daily low also. So I think on GJ my view is it's gonna make a daily retest. If it comes down as deep as this, let me draw the fib. So how I plotted the fib was like this. Potential areas for it to bounce. 51. Either 150, 800, 150, 400. If not, then I will see 150. So 150 is this previous resistance that became support. Oh, I like this area actually. That's my view. 4 hour is closing strong. I think gold is a no-go on the 4 hour close. Look at the candle.
My mic on? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah. I don't like this 4 hour. It's quite weak. Still bearish, still like a lower high on the 4 hour, but quite weak.
Because the bearish candles are like the same size as the bullish candles now. So I'm not sure if the sells are valid yet.
To be honest, I think we're more rangy at this point. We are high, like in terms of like 1740 area, so I don't want to sell it, but it's just not like clear at this point what it wants to do.
I would rather let it break above.
Yeah.
Then then I can have a bit more confirmation. I think it's waiting for tomorrow.
If I drop down the lower time frame.
I'm not touching gold on this close. Cannot. They also. It's too low already. He has to retest.
Hasn't done a proper retest, so
Yeah, after it broke the 4 hours support, I didn't retest.
oh lord. Let me close that.
What is NTZ? Text, I think if you shorted it here, right? And you counted for 10 pips to this area, then it's fine. But if you shorted, then only after that, then you realize this, then it's not fine. Because this trade is kind of in the middle of nowhere when you took it. That's my viewpoint. I think you took it as it was coming down, so I'm not sure if it was FOMO or anything, because the stop loss structurally to me is above the resistance, not here. So I think this was lucky. No offense. So I'm not taking the shot on this bearish close even though it broke support, because for me I have an issue with 150,800. So it's too near for me now. I will wait around the area to see if either support holds at 150,800, then I can start to go long again. Because overall the higher time frame is bullish. But if it doesn't hold, then it will come down to 150. Because these two are levels on the daily that I'm looking at. Plus it's really low. I don't really want to sell so low. But yeah. Who is Ryan Brown?
Two types of traders in the public. Two types of traders. Two types of traders in the public.
Lawrence, I don't trade crypto. Volume looks a bit weak, Andy. I'm not sure. Don't know what hollow chain is. Yep, that's why Dre, when I saw that the 4-hour close on gold was going to be weak, I didn't want to fire because this at this current timing is not the right time to trade gold anyway. It's just weird. Look at the bullish candles. They are the same size. Pushed up, this candle closed the same size. Pushed up again, closed the same size. So I think this to me here, this looks like correction before downside move. Or maybe upside, depending on which way it breaks. Yeah, that's why I'm not rushing into it. I just want to wait. I don't like sitting in drawdown on gold because gold is very volatile. I might get spiked on something. It might move in pre-New York though, so there's about an hour left before it pushes up. So if you're in it, then just leave it alone.
Damn, GG came down.
Yeah, but it's a little bit only. Because the 30-minute close and broke the support.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Coming up to 800. Let's see what it does.
I can't take the shot here.
Yeah, it's too low now. Needs to break below 800, retest, then short it down. Maybe like 150, previous daily resistance. Also 786.
Yeah.
I think Iron Man said 150 as well.
On go, so I'm waiting for it to break retest. Then I'll be comfortable to sell it. But now it's still holding the 1 hour support. And on the 1 hour, there's higher lows. That's a bit scary to sell into. I think a lot of the South African traders trade the order blocks.
Oh.
No, they trade the order blocks. That's why they see determine high and low of a day. There's different methods to look at it. There's no one fixed way. But I think if you want their method, you gotta ask them. No blue chip. I think a lot of people see longs on gold ever since that daily close bullish. Yeah. But for me, I don't feel comfortable buying here yet because this didn't even break and close above this resistance on the daily, even though there was such a strong close. If it breaks above, retest on the daily, maybe I'll go up here. But either way, it hasn't yet. And on the 4 hour, I'm a bit worried about this level here. So if it breaks and retests up above, I need to see whether I have space here. Then I'll go up.
Actually, looking at it now, I think the buyers have more strength on gold at the moment. I just don't want to buy it yet.
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable going right into the resistance.
Yeah. It's been 3 daily rejections already. Yeah. Plus this level, let me see. Yeah, I'm not comfortable buying here. What are you eating?
Porridge.
Eggs?
No.
Rice?
Porridge.
Oh.
Porridge.
Porridge with honey and bananas because I am too lazy to cook today.
Bruh,
What is a
porridge.
porridge though?
Hmm?
Why is it porridge?
Why is it not porridge? Why is
Porridge
it
to me must be hot. Yours is not hot, right?
microwave pot?
With fruits?
No, I put the fruits on after.
Is there
You guys
meat?
have porridge as savory, no?
Yeah.
I microwave it and I put the banana on and I put the honey on.
That's oats.
They have it as breakfast here, like with fruits and stuff. You guys have it as savory. I
Yeah.
like yours actually. It's really nice.
Wait, how does? Okay, maybe I should try.
Yeah,
Yeah.
porridge.
Uh,
There's so many different kinds of porridge here.
mm.
Let me show you.
We used to serve it on the aircraft, you know, in business class.
That's really dangerous though if the plane has turbulence. Vroom! Bye bye porridge. Unless the porridge is thick.
It was thick, and I used
Yeah.
to put
Yeah.
chili sauce on top.
Damn! Why?
I like
So
it.
there's this kind. This is
Congee.
yeah. So they have like
Oh,
fish insides, century egg, chicken, frog. Yeah, there's this kind. Then there is hang on.
so you eat it more like a
This is congee.
like a soup kind of thing.
Something like that. It's sick people food. And then there's this kind with a lot of dishes.
You can make it in the rice cooker, no?
Yeah.
Just put more water than rice.
Yeah.
I used to make it.
So I prefer this one depending on my mood. Then you have all the other dishes here. Yeah. So when you say your porridge had fruits in it, I was like, is that oats?
It's not oats, it's what's.
What's? The news.
Maybe if I moan, Gigi will make support.
Don't scare it.
I should moan and it will make Gigi erect. Ha ha ha.
That wasn't funny.
It was funny. You know why? Because I laughed.
Because you touched yourself yesterday.
Oh,
Bro,
God.
why is that? Why is that just in your head rent free? Like, why you just why you?
I'm
so
scarred.
I think you traumatized them.
Yeah, you traumatized me.
Bro, you didn't see anything. What was there to traumatize about?
Bro, I saw everything.
There was nothing
Wow.
to see. It was.
Oh, damn, so sad.
That's what she said. She saw everything.
There was nothing to see.
You make it sound like I put down my pants on the street.
Shall I go find the thing again?
Remember that day you thought I was wearing my pants on stream? It was a while back. You thought I was wearing my boxers walking around. Bruh.
Ooh.
Someone's snoring.
Oh, my dad dragged the chair.
Oh.
I'm hungry, man. Let me ask for supper today.
Salmon.
Oh,
Wait.
I finally finished the whole salmon.
Yay.
If a Brazilian wandering spider bites a man and the man gets an erection for 4 hours and died, then what happens to if it bites a woman?
Ooh.
Come, what is it?
Brazilian wandering spider. I would not want to get bit by it at all. Imagine an erection for 4 hours. Give like your wife or your girlfriend the best 4 hours of their life and then you just die.
Won't it hurt?
Yeah, it would. It'll probably get swollen.
Damn.
Oh my god, someone actually asked that question.
Yeah. Reddit.
Terrified of spiders.
Bro, if it doesn't look like
Paralyze the muscles.
if it doesn't look like a daddy long leg spider like the one in my room, yeah, I just immediately see it as a threat.
I don't like them, all of them.
Oh, look at this wuss.
Victoria has to take care of them.
I remember one day a spider tangled down in front of my face. I screamed and then I was like, "Hey, oh, wait, am I screaming?" Then I just killed it.
Sometimes when I'm riding, like when I park my bike at my car park for a while, right, then there are like tiny spiders. And I cannot see them until I ride. I'm like, what's this on my face?
Oh no.
But I feel like, you know, like sometimes when you feel the web on your... I hope it's the web and not the
Yeah.
spider.
Ugh.
Oh, when I walk into a cobweb, yeah, and I don't see it, I panic. It's like you see how people start like in the movies when they set on fire, they start like waving around. I do that shit. But it's like wiping my face. Victoria phobia. Oh, it's rejecting. 158.
That's why I didn't dare to sell it to 800. Wasn't wise. It might still break though.
Yeah.
Damn, the moves are really coming in New York recently.
Yeah. That's why yesterday I said I think I'm just gonna skip London.
No, but you should keep... Andy is right though, you should keep the routine.
Yeah.
If not, it's very difficult.
I can't even like break the routine at this point.
Mhm.
It's like I sleep early during the weekend I stay up a bit later,
Mm.
and it's just in a flow now, so it's fine.
What's early, Alexi?
10.
Mm.
Okay, little miss. I go to bed at fucking 7 p.m. every single day. Wake up
No.
at 3 a.m.
No. You idiot. No. Last night I was trying to keep my eyes open, but I just can't.
Your pattern's already set, so it's already gonna be hard. Like even during the weekends, when I'll stay up till like 1, but I feel damn tired. Like around like 11.
Yeah. I just even on the weekend, like for example on Friday, we like watching Overbox, yeah, because they like play every Friday, but we always fall asleep before. Boring. Then we watch it on catch up the next day.
That was like me when I was trying to watch Stranger Things. I fall asleep every single time. I don't even know if Stranger Things is actually a good show or not, because I'd fall asleep like halfway through the episode.
Yeah.
It's like
At least
just sleep medicine.
what is it?
Stranger Things, sleep medicine.
I've never seen it.
Thing is that they find some alien or something.
What is GT doing, man? Andy, can you talk, please? You're allowed to talk, you know. Victoria can't hear you, don't worry. I'm wearing my AirPods. This 4-hour closing an hour earlier is a bit confusing, like with taking trades.
Yeah, it's like the timing feels off.
Mm. Oh. Google Box.
I wish I was host so I could put L in the waiting room.
Waiting room. Wait.
I remember last time I did that as a prank and I didn't know how to bring her back.
Oh, can you ask to be the host? No, you cannot. You can only ask to share screen.
Yeah.
I'm gonna raise my hand, yeah. Tell her, Maisa wanted to ask you a question. She kept calling you, but you wouldn't answer. Then I'll disappear.
This man is shaving skin. He has no beard. What is he trying to shave, bro? Bro, it's okay.
Who's
Some
shaving
girl.
now?
No, it's some video on Instagram.
Oh.
It's some guy shaving with the shaving cream, but he has like no hair on his chin.
Why 11, Andy?
That's the name of one of the characters.
Oh.
Who's that person that looks like L on L screen? Why are their forehead so big?
Too much gas.
Wow.
Why did Mesa raise her hand?
She was asking a question, but you weren't here.
What question? Sorry. Get water.
You mean water?
Water.
Yeah, exactly.
Go looks like it made a liquidity grab. Below the 1 hour support. Would it be higher?
Yeah, I think the buyers have more strength, to be honest.
But the range is very tight. If it was lower, I would buy it. But right now
Yeah.
it's like, why are you so near resistance? Like if it was somewhere here and it formed the resistance somewhere at this previous 1 hour support, yeah, maybe I could have bought it. But here, gross.
I think better to take it easy this week.
Yeah. Lost
because
enough.
because of the what is that? But there's because of the fundamentals as well.
Yeah. I mean, if you're scalping on the 5, structurally, this makes sense. So, as long as it's part of your plan to scalp, you didn't do anything wrong. Because you waited for the retest on this break. Right? But I think the only problem with this is the entry is a bit low. Because if you waited for the break, retest, you already drew this zone up. So you should have waited somewhere on the top here, I think. I'm not sure if the entry was like here or it was here because you drew it here. I would have let this retest happen first and scalped it down. I think the white noise from the fan might put you to sleep. Yeah, do it on the fan and sleep. Lisa's angry because I keep putting her hand down. Lisa's angry because I keep putting her hand down. Show slow. Show slow. Those people that come onto my stream during London session, thank you very much because I know I haven't been calling out trades. It's damn slow. I think Iron Man is in gold bias because he called out this candle just now. Right? Yeah. He called out his rejection candle. And I think it's also a liquidity grab to these lows. But the only problem I have is this resistance. Yeah. Mendes. Trade carefully this week. There's FOMC tomorrow. No, tomorrow. Tomorrow, and there's BOE tomorrow. So rangy.
I think no. I think FOMC is wait. Okay, yeah, tomorrow. I think BOE is the Thursday. Yeah. FOMC Wednesday, BOE Thursday, Bank of
Yeah.
Japan Friday.
Yeah, man.
It's like a 3-hit combo.
Yeah, this week is gross. Yesterday's trade, I hit my stop loss. I didn't cut partials, I just hit the whole stop loss. Because by the time the candle came down here, so my entry was on the 1 hour. Here with the candles. My entry was on the 1 hour here. This candle closed. Oh, sorry, not here. The earlier one. Yeah, this one. This one. This candle closed above everything else. So I wait. It's a 1 hour candle, and I was like anticipating the London Open volume to take me up to the daily wick. Because on the weekly and the daily, it was clear. There was nothing on the left really. See? Nothing. All the way till 152, 600 to 800. So I based it on the daily and the weekly, and that's why I took the trade on the hour. But I also failed to measure my risk reward when I entered my trade here. Stop loss below. Failed to measure it to this daily wick high. So being less than 1, I should not have entered. So only one trade yesterday, I didn't take anything else. Neither have I taken anything today. Because today when I came to the charts, GG already fell. So I'm not going to catch a falling knife, I'm just going to wait. Don't have to trade every day. I traded every day previously and I kept taking losses and I stopped. Now on GG, I'm looking for, based on the daily, I'm looking for longs actually. But I think it might want to retrace deeper. Because previous daily candle, lower low, lower high. This one already broke. Yes, the daily candle is still open, but it already broke the lows and it created a new lower high. So I think it might come down to this grey box, which is around 150. But I'm also careful on the 4 hour because I see support at 150, 800. That's why I didn't sell it. The meme is of the account exploding. I know a lot of people are not trading this week. But the sales were actually better yesterday. So if you look at it, right, yesterday on the 1 hour, this was the first resistance, second resistance, right? As the 1 hour approached that area, it helped the resistance also. So there was a valid sell here. So this was the support. When it broke and closed below, retest, you could have taken the sell safely down. Here, entry here, stop loss above. And just take it all the way down to this 4 hour support. It was quite an obvious trade actually in the sell, so I think you could have held it with a runner. Quite clean. Nice, at least you got profits.
Wait,
Hmm?
where did Mesa close?
Was, yeah. Caught it when it. She didn't trust the support here, so she bought it when it broke, I think. Then she got hit when it retested. Right?
Oh.
Yeah. I forgot, was it the 30 or something? But it retested. Then she got hit at BE. Oh, 15. Awesome.
Cray.
Yeah, 150-800 looks like it's holding for now. Ten more minutes to the hour close. Problem with GJ is heavily manipulated in London. The pound pairs, the euro pairs, they all do that. It's a common thing. But it's quite easy to identify roughly where you will do it. So like yesterday, if you guys were here with me yesterday, right? Remember, I think you remember me saying my stop loss was here because I saw and I knew that price would do discount nonsense. And it did. So today, same thing. Today, GG at London open. Where is it? It doesn't do it every day though, but most of the days it will do it, and it's quite easy to observe. Usually, if there's like a consolidation area, oh my god, be careful. It's a sign that they're gonna do some shit. That's personally what I've observed. What's Minot?
I misspelled. I'm
Oh.
not.
Oh.
And he looks Thai today, no? Like he's from Thailand.
Traders simply use the word manipulate when they don't understand what price is doing. Okay, learn fast, Shelton. What is price doing? Enlighten me. Liquidity grab? It's just different name, same shit, different name. Are you okay, Alexi?
Don't be yourself, Alexi.
Don't pant. Control yourself.
Oh, someone's at my door. Damn.
That's early.
What do you mean?
Oh wait, it's like what, 10?
Yeah, almost.
On a deeper level, there is no manipulation in the market. Okay. What is a deeper level?
Deep in the sea.
Like, how do you know there isn't? I think it's liquidity grab, okay? If you don't like me using the word manipulation, liquidity grab, yes? You understand that the big boys don't trade the way that... Yeah, I know that. That's why I said it's quite obvious to see where a potential like grab will be. Like for me, this area, it's quite easy to see that they were going to do a grab. Yeah. Just stay out of the way or just have your stop loss wide enough. But if it's no matter how wide it is, I think if they want to grab you, they're gonna grab you. They have all the monies. Monies.
That's why you have a stop loss.
Yeah. They grab too deep and oops.
Bye-bye.
Mhm.
I can't. So Alexi's fault, really.
Why?
I don't know, just because.
You're the best.
Shelton, what do you look at? Order blocks? Supply demand? Or other stuff? Error. Swimmers, I DM'd you on Discord.
Why is Candice there? No,
What?
look at Zoom, my Zoom pic.
Who's Candice?
From Phineas and Ferb.
Who?
Candice from Phineas and Ferb,
The cartoon.
the cartoon.
Lunch now. Oh.
Thanks, Elle.
You know it, I don't even know it. Good.
Oh,
It's
wow.
because Mesa is younger than me.
I used to watch Disney all the time.
Elle is a computer nerd. She don't watch cartoons.
I love cartoons.
Cartoons.
Damn.
What the hell? Gold is about to make 1 hour lower high. That was a deep sigh. The fuck? Is everything okay at home, Mesa?
Yeah?
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
I think she's lying. I don't think everything's okay.
I'll turn him off, please.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Thank you. He's gonna hate me now.
Still candlestick.
I fucking knew it.
New what?
Knew it.
New what?
Knew it.
Damn, look at the 800 level.
Rejected.
Yeah.
Damn, Daniel. And the 4 hour flippy.
I think it's good to position a buy now on GJ. What's your premise of buying? What's your entry criteria? Because if a 15-minute support, if a 30-minute support is enough for you, and you have this zone here, yeah, why not? If that's your criteria for entry, then you take your TP here. So it really depends. I cannot tell you whether it's a good entry because I don't know your trading style. But for me, after I saw this big bearish move, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes not convincing yet. I need the hour. And the hour close. I like the rejection. I just don't like the size of the candle. I don't trust it yet. I think it's gonna pull down, do another tap, and then maybe go up.
What the fuck? What was that? I think Elle just farted, bro.
What?
Nothing.
Who is I is confused?
Saitama.
Oh. What's this? Someone do something again. Bruh, open this. Look at this. What's
I'm
this?
scared. Oh, it's the Among Us character.
Sus?
It's
Oh, yeah.
Among Us character.
Is it?
Yeah, that's how it look.
It looks like a pacifier.
Bruh.
The last time someone sent me a picture, it wasn't a very nice picture. The person got blocked. Just saying.
She's just saying.
Just saying. Among Us? That means AU is sus. No, Alexi, did you draw something stupid?
I didn't. I can't draw.
What's this? Where is your
It's my
candles?
analysis. I don't know.
Effort. Wow, blank chart.
Wow, blank chat.
What if the 1 hour is going to retest 151 200 now? Uh-oh.
That's what I'm scared of.
Yeah, that's what I'm scared of also.
That I was considering the longest, yeah, but it would have just barely been one. As in 1 hour, if I took on a 1 hour.
Mm. Device. Isn't it hindsight all? It's already moved. Unless you're in it. I used to trade GG on 15 confirmed by 1 minute. Did I revert to 1 hour due to the fundamentals of this week? No, I can see all time frames. They are the same to me. I don't have a fixed time frame to enter, but if you look at the 15-minute chart, right? The trend, same. Just downward movement. So you can trade the structure on any time frame as long as you understand it. So it's just that for me now, there's a lot of news this week. Yes, that's number one. So I'm looking for more solid, easier confirmations of structure. So I know that this is a 4-hour zone. So when it broke, I'm just waiting for at least a 1 hour retest because it is a 4-hour zone. So there's a lot of things that you gotta take into account. It's not as simple as 15 minute plus 1 minute equals trade. No, it's not that easy. Yeah, you gotta choose your time. But if you choose a time frame, you can just stick to it. I know of traders that just trade on the 1 hour and it's perfectly fine. But either way, structure is structure. I'm still expecting back 200, then come down again. If it falls below that, then 150. I still have 150 as a target. Andy, you suck. Look what you started now. Look at the latest message.
Can I get a hi?
I just saw that on the 1 hour, the latest swing that broke the 4 hour support. When it retests, right, it's gonna sit near the 61.8. 51,200 is near the 61. Tenzo.
Oh yeah, it is.
Damn, go went nowhere.
Yeah.
He's playing. Playing with people. Anyway, I'm going off in 15 minutes.
Oh no.
Oh no. Cameron. I think I trade differently from them. I haven't made the very best calls in the last week, but I think I trade differently from them. Trades are a lot slower, so on the streams there haven't really been much action. Boring. I wonder if Siat has gotten action. Let's see. Siat trades on the 1 hour also. I think you're struggling this week also. Oh, did he not stream today? Damn you, Alexi. Let's see.
That was pretty fast. You're getting better at this.
What?
Kicking me.
Yeah. You're in easy clickable reach. Andy, there's a raise hand button on your screen, on your display pic, I think.
No, Miss has a hand raised.
Lower her hand. She wants to go to the top, that's why her hand is raised.
We're gonna have to wait for New York for the volume.
Yeah. Patience. The thing is on GJ, it moved. Keeps the move today. Close to 100. Isn't this NDI there? Isn't this a M? I don't know. I might draw it wrongly. Wait. Something's wrong. I got an extra part here. So is it supposed to bounce? Or is this whole area here the part of the same move down?
It's supposed to be bounce, but it's failed. Isn't it? It break the low. No, this is not M pattern, I think, because this is equal low.
What if this is a liquidity grab? GG.
It could be. We could break this high and stay below this.
Yeah.
So I don't know for people that trading liquidity. Or, I don't know. It could be going back here and then down, or we could just pull back here and then continue down, or we fly back up and never go down, or you just get lost.
Your account disappears.
So yeah, but I think from here we're going up for me.
Yeah, that's why I suddenly saw. I was like, eh? I don't know if it breaks.
4 hours. 3 more hours.
Closing? 3 more hours, yeah. If it breaks this support back, right, then oh shit.
Yeah.
If it creates a higher low on. Sorry, Andrew.
Yeah, I'm expecting back to here. If it backs to here.
Lower high, you mean? Or higher low?
Higher low.
Higher low.
So it has to break here. Somewhere here, then come down again.
I feel like we can break this, to be honest.
This one?
Yeah. And then we're down. Or we just, I don't know, I feel like this is not a proper pullback.
Why not?
I don't know, feeling. I don't know, I'm not focusing to here or anything, I'm just focusing here, to be honest, at the moment.
Yeah, I need to see what happens here. This is the crucial
Because
area
simply,
for
like,
me.
if we break this last orange candle, hold on, can you hear my music?
Yeah, a little.
Hold on.
Wait, let me get rid of the fibs.
Yeah, I feel like at the moment we are pushing back because we are already on the low at the moment. So we could potentially, for me personally, I'm looking for back to here, and you see from here. But my favor is more breaking this high. Back within this range. But it's just prediction, I'm just focusing at this point at the moment.
Yeah.
If we
This
break this high, I feel like we could potentially going higher.
hmm. Hmm.
But I get a feeling that we could go back here, creating higher low. Then I will buy from there. What do you think?
I think it's still coming down.
Okay.
But the problem is this level of support is very strong. So because I have the 200 level, right? So I want to sell it down again here and then leave a runner to go to 150.
Yeah,
Because
just
this
wait
area
at
is
least.
trash. Yeah. That's why it's
Yeah.
having problem.
I think wait for this 1 hour to close. If we fail to break this high, creating lower high and breaking the low, then you can sell.
Mm.
But I don't know how far you can sell for today or
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. I set a sell limit. Nope. No, I'm not setting a sell limit. Because the problem is this level here, if it goes up, right? I need this area is very crucial for me. I need to see if the resistance can form here. If not, it's gonna go up back into the range. And then I don't know what to do with it. I need to see what happens. Because right now for me, right, I'm seeing sells. So for this level, this grey box here to break, this was a 4-hour zone. So if price fakes out and goes back up, right, then this was a very disgusting fake out. But what I'm looking at now, looking at the momentum of the candle, so far it looks like it wants to do this. So that's why I need to see what happens here. Because at this area here, I have a few confluences that are telling me that there might be a reaction to come down lower instead of it going higher. So that's just why I'm not putting a sell limit. I will put a sell limit at an area that I'm fairly confident it will fall from. But this area I'm not. Yeah, but Iron Man, if I trade the 1 hour candle, right? Let's say, okay, I take this entry. My risk reward is not the best because I can only see longs till this area. Like if I put it below the wick, I only see longs to 200. This risk reward to me is unacceptable. It's negative. Like sure, I'll be able to get a few pips, but I did see the rejection to the 4-hour zone. But I'm only confident till 200. Oh, the US dollar news. Oh, retail sales. I don't think it will affect GJ very greatly, but it might spike a bit. I think GJ just waiting for BOE. If you go back in your charts, right, look for all the days that there was BOE, the weeks, price was very choppy. That's why I'm on the higher time frame because I know when I have NFP weeks and I have BOE weeks, it's better and safer for me personally to go on the higher time frame to reduce the noise. Is my observation. I tend to be more conservative during weeks like this. Yeah, but I mean, where's your TP? Like, where do you see it going back up to? Because you saw 150 also, right? I don't know, risk reward for me is a entry criteria. Hey, YouTube. I'm gonna go off. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Please trade carefully around 151, 200 again. So if you're buying high, just watch to see if you have enough range. Right, see y'all tomorrow.